English Norwegian verbs. Make.
Lage.
Do.
Gjøre.
Welcome. Hey do, ready to have fun and actually remember your Norwegian verbs? Let's go. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart, smile-powered language coach. For more resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we play with make equals,
Lage.
do equals,
Gjøre.
and the past effect phrase.
Det gjorde.
Your goal today. You'll be able to choose the right verb fast and sound natural. By the end, you can 1. Use.
Lage.
When creating things, 2. Use.
Gjøre.
For actions and abstract combos, and 3. Report results with.
Det gjorde.
You've got this. Forms in action. Let's lock in the easy rule with quick examples. To make food, use.
Lage.
I make dinner equals jeg.
Lager.
Middag. To do homework, use.
Gjøre.
I do homework equals jeg.
Gjør.
Lekser. To report an effect in the past, say.
Det gjorde.
It made us happy equals.
Det gjorde.
Oss glade. Tip. You.
Lager.
Coffee, but you.
Gjør.
A mistake. Mini dialogue. Listen in and repeat with attitude. A. Let's make pizza.
La oss lage pizza.
B. Great, I'll make the dough.
Jeg lager deigen.
A. Can you do the dishes later?
Kan du gjøre oppvasken senere?
B. Sure, that song really helped me focus.
Det gjorde.
Meg Focusert. Speed drills. Say it out loud, your mouth learns too. Say, we will make a plan equals.
Vi skal lage en plan.
Say, can you do it now? Equals.
Kan du gjøre det nå?
Say, it made a difference equals.
Det gjorde en forskjell.
Say, I made dinner yesterday equals.
Jeg laget middag i går.
Say, don't do that now equals.
Ikke gjøre det nå.
Note, in real speech you'll usually say.
Ikke gjør det nå.
Closing parenthesis. Culture tip. A tasty memory hook never hurts. In Norway, weekends often mean waffles, families love to
Lage.
vafler together. After a good fix or trick, Norwegians say.
Det gjorde susen.
That did the trick. Pitch in at a community cleanup in your.
Gjør.
In your best.
Gjøre en innsats.
While someone else.
Lager.
The coffee. Delicious language. Quick quiz. Answer fast. I'll reveal the solution after a pause. Q1. Which verb means to make things, food? A.
Lage.
Q2. Which verb means to do actions, abstract combos? A.
Gjøre.
Q3. How do you say, it made me happy? A.
Det gjorde meg glad.
Final challenge. Time to flex your new superpower. Build 3 micro-sentences and say them clearly.
Jeg gjør lekser. Vi lager suppe. Det gjorde dagen min.
Now remix. Can you make coffee?
Kan du lage kaffe?
Please do it today.
Vær så snill, gjør det i dag.
Humor boost. If your soup burns, blame the audio engineer, then.
Gjør.
A new one in.
Lag.
Extra bread. Problem solved. Goodbye. You nailed it, high five. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Lage. Gjøre.
And.
Det gjorde.
In tiny daily phrases. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more drills, cheat sheets, and laughs at www.synapse-lingo.com. V Snacks.